So Ben, now that we're in our Office 365, let's look at how we use the web app for email.
Okay.
We're going to click over here on our app launcher and choose Mail.
So this looks pretty familiar. Is this like the Outlook app on my computer?
Well, that's a good question. You would think so because it has the name Outlook. One of the complaints that some people have is Microsoft likes to use the same name over and over again. So this is the Outlook web app, which is very similar to the Outlook desktop app that you might have on your computer, which is somewhat similar to the Outlook app that you might have on your mobile device, your iPad or your Android phone, which is vaguely similar to email that you might have at Outlook.com. These are all ways of getting to your email, but they're all a little bit different. For example, this is the Outlook web app. It's fairly fresh and modern, and they're trying to make it into a very useful cloud-based email system. Outlook on your desktop, if you're using a PC, or especially a PC and even a Mac, is an older application. And what you'll find is there are some features that only work in Outlook for the desktop. There are some features that only work in the Outlook web app. Over time, Microsoft is trying to bridge that gap, so they're trying to take the features that are in the web app, put them in the desktop app, and vice versa. But we'll highlight those as we go through it. Let's start off with some of the basics. What you see on this screen is basically three panes. You have a folder pane, you have a message list, and then you have a reading pane, also called a preview pane. If we click on one of your emails, then it previews it in the reading pane, as you might expect. Now, just like a lot of email programs, by default, it doesn't show pictures because pictures are a way that advertisers can track whether or not you've read the message. So if you want to see the pictures, you can see